Sarah here, reporting on All Bay Insulation and HVAC, a Diamond Certified insulation and HVAC contractor serving residential and commercial clients throughout the Bay Area. Our Diamond Certified research shows that owner Noam Yaakobi and his team specialize in insulation, heating and cooling system installations, air duct repairs, and energy efficiency upgrades. From attic and crawl space work to indoor air quality improvements, the company provides comprehensive solutions that help homeowners save energy and stay comfortable year-round. All Bay Insulation and HVAC is Bay-REN certified for home energy rebates and holds C20, C2, and B licenses to support a wide range of services. Founded in 2015, All Bay Insulation and HVAC has built its reputation on honesty, quality materials, and exceptional customer service. Mr. Yaakobi says his team's goal is to make home efficiency easier by acting as a one-stop shop for comfort and performance, going beyond expectations to deliver clean work and lasting results. That's our report on All Bay Insulation and HVAC, where, as Mr. Yaakobi puts it, they're not just fixing heating and cooling systems, they're improving homes and earning trust, one project at a time. I'm Sarah Withers, reporting for a Diamond Certified Resource.